Today I'm going to be walking you through how to tag an HVAC unit. There are 3 steps to adding a new piece of equipment: assigning the tag, taking a photo, and filling in the equipment attributes. To do this, you'll need to be logged into the EquipID app of your NFC-enabled device. Select the site at which the equipment is located, select Add Equipment, and select HVAC for the trade. Then, select the most accurate equipment type. Assign the tag by tapping the tag with your phone. Place the tag on the asset and take photos. Be sure to take a few steps back so that your photo shows where on the equipment your tag has been placed. You should also take additional photos of any present nameplates or asset information. The last step is to add as many attributes as possible. This can include the equipment name, the model number, and the location. Next, scroll to the bottom and select Save. Repeat this process as needed to tag all of your HVAC equipment. Thank you.